Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So today video is nothing about my hair. Today video is about something that I've been using for the past 3 months now, and I'm so super excited to to show you guys what it is. And it's something that really changed my life. It's something that really changed my diets. Thing that I'm talking about is Carotino palm oil. As you can see, this oil, it's not new to me because it's something that I grew up with. My mom used to cook with it. You can use this carotene oil to cook anything or whatever you want to cook with. You can fry, you can saute, you can bake, and dressing salad. It's really good. It tastes amazing. The flavor, it's amazing. For people that knows red palm oil, it usually has that smell, like a little smell, but this one don't have any smell whatsoever. It has no smell. It's just like olive oil. If I have to compare, it's just like olive oil. It's just like water. And people that knows palm oil, usually it stick on the bottom, and before you cook it you have to warm it up first and then you can use it. But this one, you can leave it outside in a cold weather, and it's never gonna stick on the bottom. It's gonna maintain the same. It's just like water. It's amazing. This thing really, like I said, this thing really changed my diet for the better. And when I cook the food, the flavor, it's amazing. For those that love to cook, guys, I would suggest you to put your hands on this oil because it's amazing. It has so many benefits. It's incredible. And on the bottle it said it's cholesterol free and it's all natural. So guys, give it a try. It's amazing oil. Again, it's say Carotino Red Palm Oil. Give it a try. So like I was saying, I know palm oil for a very long time. Like my mom used to use it, used to cook with it, back in the day, back home. But when I moved here, I stopped using it. Not by choice, but I couldn't find the oil at all. So 15 years later, here I am, I found this oil. It's amazing oil, and I'm super excited because when I compare this oil with corn oil or canola oil or vegetable oil, the taste, it's completely different. It tastes really good. It doesn't stick, and like I said, you can bake with it, you can saute, you can fry, you can do whatever with it. Like I said, that I use it for salad. I put it on my salad as a dressing salad. And don't underestimate this bottle right here. It looks smaller, but the amount that you need to use to make a dish, like for 7 people, 8 people, it's very small. For people that loves to cook, for example, our African dish where that require you to put a lot of oil, you don't need to put the whole bottle. I'll give an example. For example, our cassava leaves, I use 3 packs of cassava leaves and I only use 1 bottle. I don't even use the whole bottle. I use like maybe up to here. Like, it's incredible. You guys need to try this one. Palm oil naturally prevent high cholesterol and lower high blood pressure. It's also anti-inflammatory. So the whole bottle, the palm oil itself, it's natural oil. There's no any mix inside. It's completely 100% natural. And this bottle, it's 17.6 ounce. This is best oil for me. Like, it's a life change. I will never go back for those oil anymore. I swap it sometime because I love coconut oil, and I also use olive oil. But this is my #1 oil so far. Hands down, I will never go back again. Guys, you need to put your hands on this oil and you'll be amazed what this oil gonna do to your life, gonna do to your health, because it has a lot of benefits. I only mentioned few benefits about this oil, because if I have to mention all the benefits, I'm gonna be here forever. So I'm gonna put the rest of the benefits of the oil on the description box. But again, this oil, you need to buy this oil, give it a try, and let me know what do you think about this oil. So I know a lot of you wondering where and how to get this oil. I got this oil in Canada when I was visiting my family in Canada. So in Canada, it's like popular now. You can find it in any stores in Canada. And the person that was selling the distributor that's selling this oil, his contact is here on the bottle, but I will leave his name and his websites where you can get this oil. For those that live in Canada, like I said, it's everywhere in Canada. With the phone number here, I'll leave it down here on the left hand side. I think you can see his name and a phone number. How you can get this oil in Canada, it's very easy. But for people that live in the USA, you just have to contact the distributor or go online on his website and order this oil. When I came back, I was trying to buy here online. I saw one, you see the label here, it's green, but the one I saw online, the label was yellow. And I'm not quite sure, the bottle looks the same, but I'm not quite sure if it's the same product. So I will not suggest you to buy the one has yellow label, because I'm not sure if I haven't tried that one. The one I try is this one that has green label on it. It's the same brand palm oil, but I didn't try that one. So I would suggest you, if you want to buy, be sure to buy the one has green label on it. Again, I'm gonna leave all the description. I'm gonna leave the information to contact the person who's selling this product. He's based in Canada, but for people that live in the United States, there's always a way you can contact this person, the distributor, and he can make an arrangement to ship it to your destination. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please share with friends and family. It's a good news. It's something that everybody needs to try. It's good for your health. Stop using those oil that can bring a lot of complication to your body. So try this oil. It's pure, it's natural, and it tastes really good. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Share with friends and family. Give it a thumbs up if you love it. Comment, leave me a comment down below and tell me if you tried and how did you like it. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.